welcome to today's production. Today I'll be practicalizing how we can make our Kampala soap. Kampala soap can be made in different colors, but today I'll just be making a simple method by using activated charcoal to color my soap. Here is my caustic soda. If you are an existing subscriber, you should be used to this my cake by now. Here is my fermented soda ash. This is also fermented caustic soda. I have here my palm kernel oil. I have here my glycerin. I have here my activated charcoal and several other containers that will be useful as we go on with this production. I'll be needing my palm kernel oil. If you are not familiar with this measurement, please visit or check the other video we made on bar soap. I'm measuring 2 of this. Therefore, I'll be adding 1 of my fermented caustic soda. Here is my turning stick. I'm going to give it a thorough stir. I hope you can see this. It's just going to give you a solution like, let me say, yellow pap. Thereafter, I'll be adding in my soda ash. So because we use 2, I'll be adding in just 1 cup. But when I'm adding in my soda ash, I need to remove this so that you can view this. I will be adding it little by little. Existing subscribers, I believe you should understand every bit of thing I'm doing here. If you are a newbie, please watch our multi-purpose bar video. This will give you a very in-depth understanding of what we are doing. Now, to make it a fast one, I'm done with this. Here is the second solution. I'll be measuring my PKO, 2 cups as well. I'll be measuring my fermented caustic soda, just 1 cup. You are supposed to pour in your caustic soda at once. However, the soda ash I'll be using for this second production will be a little bit reduced because I intend to add glycerin to this production. So instead of me to use a full cup, I'll be using just 3/4. You can see that the cup is not filled up. However, I will still add it little by little. I'm trying to make this snappy because I need to pour them into the mold at the same time. I'm adding in my soda ash. Sorry about that. I hope you can see this. Then the remaining bit of my soda ash just got into the soap. So for this particular production, I will be using in just a little pinch of my glycerin into this other solution. Thereafter, I'll be adding in my activated charcoal. Activated charcoal is very good. It helps pimples prone skin. So if your skin is pimples prone, I am making a bar soap and you don't have any negative feeling about the color black, then you can add activated charcoal to your bar soap. For those people that are asking me about paid class, please DM me. I will send you details about the paid class. I will let you know if the paid class will be after this 31 days challenge or in between. Now I'm having a darker color shade. So the soap that will be coming out will be having 2 colors. And that is why we refer to it as Kampala soap. I'm dropping in my turning stick. I told us earlier that this will be my mold. So I'll be rubbing in little palm kernel oil into my mold. I hope you can see this. this so that the soap will be easy to unload by the time we are done. So it's time for me to put my soap into the mold. So I hope you can see this. Yes, I'm using a bigger container than the soap. That is just what I could lay my hand on at the moment. So there are different ways to make a Kampala soap. I hope that I will have enough time to make other patterns. Here is just one pattern. If you have any question, please message me in the comment box below. Thank you for viewing this video. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up if you appreciate anything that we have done here. Subscribe to this channel if you are a newbie, and ask your questions in the comment section. I'll be very much available to answer them all. Bye.